Okay, so what I showed you earlier obviously is a list of links. So in order to have those not look just like a list of links and to have it look more like you see here, you would need to impose some CSS. Okay, so one is, I forgot to put it in here, but remember there's text decoration where you can do underline or overline or I forget what it's called. I call it strike through, but where there's a line that goes through it. Um, those are all part of text decoration. So you would actually do is on the A link here. We'd also, I didn't show the example here, but it will also say text decoration none, which will remove the underline that you have there by default when you do a link. So that would also be imposed on it. Now, besides that, there are these other what we call pseudo classes, and basically they act like an extra value for a class. So in this case, it's attached to the A. So you do A and then colon, and then there's link, visited, hover, active, and focus. And each one does a different thing. And more or less, what you can do is you can change the look of it depending on which one of these is currently engaged. So a link means it's a link. That's basically the default. Um, Visited means that once it's been clicked on and you come back to the page, so let's say you went and then you came back to it, it'll be a different color. So it'll change the color to orange. It's probably why this was orange. I probably already clicked it. You probably have seen that in other links that you've done. Hover means when you hover over it, right? It will turn a color. So that is that green? It almost looks blue. I don't know. But that's hover. Active just means it sets the styles for the elements of the user's activating. So like clicking down on it. I don't want to click. I don't know if it's gonna. Yeah. See, that's what I was afraid of. Let me scroll down. Come on. Whoa. All right. Okay. That they click on, and if an element is focused on. So, for example, if we're scrolling through, this area is now in focus. You could have something sort of timed that it will happen when you end up focusing on it. You might have seen things where you scroll and then all of a sudden, like something kind of pops up. Real good example is like a pop-up, actually, for that matter. You get those stupid pop-ups, and as you scroll, when you get to a certain area, something will pop up all of a sudden. That's using focus. Okay. There are other ones as well, and if you click here, you'll see them. But these are the main ways that we will typically format our links. Really, I end up just using the top three here. So we'll just do link for the default, visited for if you clicked on it, and hover for when you're hovering over it. Those are the most typical. Okay. And you can actually do these on things besides links as well. You can apply it to any element. But you most often will see it here. I don't generally suggest using it on other things.